Akorukonga Hilary Ongorito, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Ekarotogo cha asemole abarariba mangana maya, nabarikiba mangana maya. Igoron tu aba arresting a county ya Kisii amangana naragende ta korukunga political profiling. Political profiling ekaraba antu bari kagire kubwata sio mu governor ba bere branded goons. Ekaraba bere branded goons list cha chakiro gwetana na social media, list chibwate amalieta yabantu abaiga, list chibwate chinamba chabantu abaiga. Nande chiko ba expose to the general public bari baratware a different political view. Lero igamna toko gamba iga tuagenda bakogembo karutwanyora amangana nga Esbon Mochama oyo bwatu kuma tatu akarusi kabsobo akairu asitomanyedi agacha koretu ese police station keroka litukoliko bwati lero na ikigwa ese kegambero kyogembo ekatwika ese kegambero kyogembo twamanya konyora nga charges teyende yonse bare tanga ki nga na ramagoso Esbon Mochama akorete bata kanaende ko sabama tuko saba elinde bakoreki bakora uchunguzi twabori nga uchunguzi nere limo gokora ekiagero nyene chisimitiri Esbon abwate chon speed mbara bakorete bachibwate bono igo Esbon na bar list na toko gamba iga the list of the 13 people na ande barenge profiled as goons barenge unfairly and illegally profiled as goons ba Mugambi His Excellency Paul Simbarati. We moved to the High Court to file in toko rokenga application for anticipatory bail. Boni ngama toko gamba iga umo judge o High Court ya Kisii orure odanga abantu abaiga 13 ondeta yogo chikobwatwa ondeta yogo chikogosererwa ini gotora abaire bakase investigative agencies elinde bachikokorera uchunguzi lakini kobwatu tikoyo okobwatu kwabo tuko okogosererwa konde gwensi tigoriko chikobaroro night arrest niko chiaringe singa kiria moi engakie yaboni ngani totete gotebi investigative agency na bari babatenerede nga amatuka ali arenga moya kare ekatiba bono tokugambero nero ne katibe ngao amangana yokogosereria abantu asengencho ya opinion ya kisiasa aeturu ne chingati ige karoto go chikokora se press yeto bwatera ringo to chikosegeta abantu baito ba Kisii county. Let us be tolerant tobenga abantu togwanchira na ebirengere bire ao kobwabiria yo manyino bwate political views nabo chira abe different. A democracy ni geko en campus anga abantu bonsi epi ondena bago kwane gyata te okore okwana lakini gochaka kubwati abantu na kubabwata botuko na gosokichi list na kulika marieta arone chi family chiabo no go endanger the lives chiabantu abaiga na anda abasikali abaiga na vaire obligation under the law yokorenda the safety yabantu abaiga na anda na bona bataite ko ba exposed to dangers chia political profiling igabantu ba minto ba Kisii county to batenga tia to enda kubwaterana na ende kende gyo stora kore neba na magendero neba noko ogo protect yaba neba ni investigation tigekoru under the law because all of us are under the rule of law. Biyamon.
One Esbon Mochama. Yesterday we briefed the press on the happenings that were ongoing. Esbon was arrested on Monday, as you are all aware. We were never allowed to see him or communicate with him. Today morning we got wind that he has been presented before Gembo Law Court. We rushed there and we saw what was happening in court. We say the police because at this stage the ODP is not involved in this matter. The police had presented an application wanting to really have this guy remanded in custody for a period of 7 days. We opposed the application and because we didn't see any reason and considering the charge that these guys have created for against Esbon Mochama, so the court agreed with us and it has released Esbon Mochama as we are speaking, and he has gone back to reunite with his family. So therefore we want to really put this notice to the police who are being used by political really personnel to intimidate people. This is not going to go through. We are ready to protect our people at any cost because intimidation and the political profiling is something which has been passed by time. We don't want to have this in this 21st century, where if you are supporting someone, you get arrested, picked at night, taken to the forest, no communication with your people, then you are presented to court. And when you are presented to court, there are no charges that can stand. So we condemn this barbaric act. We want to really call on our people to come in arms and support, because this can happen to any one of us, irrespective of our political affiliation. So thank you for that, and my colleague will explain it.
As we had indicated yesterday that the CCIO Kisii County, Madam Christine Njue, had shared with us a Latini number that they will not be apprehended or arrested by the state or its agents or any person that is acting under instruction of the state. We have a short while ago served the orders on the county commander, Mr. Charles Kesses, and we also served the orders on the CCIO, Madam Christine Njue. Now, the issues that have been raised by the applicants are issues of the suspects being branded goons and the state wanting to arrest them with no lawful cause. We urge the country, citizens of this country, Kenya being a constitutional democracy, that the respective institutions or the particular entities that have been served the orders, that they'll obey the orders and give the rule of law and justice a chance. Thank you.